Welcome to this engaging session on visual aids and training resources. Today, we will explore how effective visual tools are. Visual aids are powerful tools that capture attention. Think of flipcharts, whiteboards, and digital presentation tools. First, let's analyze flipcharts. These traditional tools allow real-time engagement. You can write or draw while your audience watches. Flipcharts are great for brainstorming sessions. They provide a tactile experience that encourages participation. Next, whiteboards offer versatility. Interactive whiteboards include digital features. They enable dynamic content sharing. Imagine coloring charts or highlighting key points on the screen. This interactivity captivates audiences and fosters collaboration. Now, let's evaluate presentation tools. Programs like PowerPoint or Prezi help organize ideas visually. Use clear images, graphs, and bullet points. They guide your audience through your message. For a deeper impact, consider designing your own visual aids. Tailor them to your audience's needs. Use distinct colors and legible fonts. Visuals should complement your speech, not overwhelm it. To reinforce learning, blend different tools. Combine spoken words with visual elements. This technique enhances recall and understanding. As a quick example, think about an onboarding session. Using flipcharts for brainstorming ideas, a presentation for company data, and whiteboards for team discussions creates an interactive environment. In summary, effective visual aids enhance presentations significantly. Remember, good design and clear visuals make a significant difference. So start integrating these tools today to transform your presentations. In the next video we will discuss about designing learning experiences. Stay connected with us. Thank you.